Military families live with a level of uncertainty that most of us never experience. Frequent moves, deployments, long separations, changing assignments, and the reality that plans can shift at a moment's notice. That's exactly why having a strong estate plan isn't only helpful for military families, it's essential. Because when life already contains so many moving parts, having legal and financial stability in place can bring an incredible sense of peace of mind. I'm Anna Burr with Burr Law. Today we're talking about estate planning for military families and how you can stay prepared no matter where your service takes you. Whether you're active duty, reserve, National Guard, retired military, or the spouse of someone serving, a thoughtful estate plan helps ensure your family is protected if the unexpected happens. And honestly, one of the biggest reasons military families delay estate planning is the same reason everyone else does. Life is busy. There's always another move, another deployment, another transition. But military families face unique risks and responsibilities that make planning even more important. One of the first things military families should think about is mobility. Military life often means moving from state to state every few years. And while that lifestyle builds resilience, it also creates legal complexity that many people don't realize exists. Estate planning laws can vary from one state to another. That means a will, power of attorney, or healthcare directive created in one state might not fully align with the laws or procedures of another. In many cases, your documents may still be valid, but they may need updates or adjustments to work as smoothly as possible in your new state. That's why reviewing your estate plan regularly is so important, especially after a PCS move or major life change. And honestly, your estate plan should evolve as your military career and family evolve. Marriage, children, promotions, retirement planning, buying a home. All of these milestones are good opportunities to revisit your documents and make sure everything still reflects your wishes. Military families should also pay close attention to beneficiary designations tied to specific military benefits. These benefits are incredibly valuable, but they only work properly if they're coordinated with your estate plan. This includes things like service members' group life insurance, the survivor's benefit plan, the thrift savings plan. A lot of people assume their will controls everything after they pass away. But beneficiary designations on accounts like these will override what your will says. That's why reviewing those designations regularly is so important. We've seen situations where someone forgot to update an old beneficiary after a divorce or major life change, and the results created confusion and stress for the family left behind. Making sure your beneficiary choices align with your estate plan helps avoid those problems and ensures your wishes are carried out the way that you intended. If you have children, one of the most important parts of your estate plan is naming a guardian. This is something many parents avoid thinking about because it feels emotional and uncomfortable. And it is. But for military families especially, this step matters deeply. Military service can involve risk and unpredictability. Naming a guardian allows you, not a court, to decide who would care for your children if something happens to you. And for many parents, simply having that conversation and putting those wishes in writing creates enormous peace of mind. Because at the end of the day, most parents aren't worried about documents. They're worried about their kids. They want to know if their children will be okay. A good estate plan helps answer that question with clarity and confidence. For military members facing deployment, durable powers of attorney are also incredibly important. A durable power of attorney allows someone you trust, often a spouse, but it doesn't have to be, to handle legal or financial matters on your behalf while you are away. This might include managing bank accounts, handling insurance issues, signing documents, selling property, managing bills, or dealing with an unexpected emergency back home. Without proper legal authority in place, even simple tasks can become frustrating and time-consuming for your family during deployment. And when a spouse is already carrying the emotional weight of separation, having legal tools in place can make daily life significantly less stressful. Healthcare directives are another key piece that should never be overlooked. These documents allow you to express your medical wishes and appoint someone to make healthcare decisions if you are unable to communicate for yourself. In emergency situations, clarity matters. These documents help ensure your voice is still heard, even during difficult circumstances. Some military families may also benefit from creating a revocable living trust. This can be especially useful for families who own property in multiple states or expect continued relocation over time. A trust can help avoid probate, simplify asset management across state lines, and provide more control over how assets are distributed to loved ones. And because trusts are generally handled privately, they can also reduce unnecessary court involvement and keep family matters out of the public record. But beyond all the legal tools and documents, there's one thing that matters just as much, if not more: communication. Make sure your spouse, trusted family members, or decision makers know where your important documents are located. Make sure they understand your wishes. And make sure they know who to contact if something happens. In military life, transitions happen quickly. Having clarity ahead of time can prevent confusion and reduce stress during already emotional moments. The bottom line is this: military life comes with uncertainty, but your estate plan can create some certainty. It can provide stability and protection for your spouse, security for your children, and peace of mind for the people who matter most. It allows you to focus on your service, knowing your family has a plan in place if life takes an unexpected turn. You've dedicated yourself to protecting others. Your estate plan helps protect the people you love at home. We're here to help you create an estate plan that honors your service, supports your family, and grows with you through every stage of life. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your service. If this video was helpful, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share it with someone you love. And if you're ready to create or update your estate plan, reach out to us at Burr Law. We're here to help.